What?
I got something in there. Right, Dad?
Don't touch.
All of you. Oh, you guys. Oh, we're all wearing shirts already?
These are the incidentals. $25 Fiji water. From the home of your electronic device here between your bed or next to your bed, you can click on the mini bar. And then you can explore the mini bar from over here. Sorry. So click on snacks. And you'll see these cashews over here are $20.50. Chocolate chips, gummies, and Pringles. Well, the chocolate chip and gummies, $13.75 versus $16.75. I'll show you how big it is. Just a small bag of chocolate chip, $16.75 versus $13.75. Now the trail mix, that's over $20, as well as the Sriracha jerky, as well as the Parmesan truffle. These two are very expensive, above $20, which I'll show you. And the Fiji water is $24.75. So let me show you the other things. So I mentioned the trail mix is $24.75, above $20. The Sriracha jerky is cheaper actually at $20.50, and the truffle chips are $22.50. Other things you can do is beverages. I mentioned that Fiji water is $24.75. The Coke, Perrier, Red Bull, all those individual items that were in the mini bar fridge, that's all $13.75. So water is $15.75 for the Dasani. And then for the alcohol, it's pretty pricey. If you decide to get the champagne, that's $86. Patron Tequilla is $80.75. Red wine is $75.
Crafty.
Vodka is $78. Whiskey, not too bad, $23.
Crafty.
So it can be pretty pricey, that mini bar.
Crafty.